Hey Fetii, this is Delta Chi at LSU. Let me show you around.
Put a yacht on the coast, who you with?
What's up? I'm Parker Richardson. I'm the treasurer at Delta Chi at LSU. We're out here on Porch Friday, so every Friday we bring these tables out here. We have people on couches and we just drink out here and have fun. So this is a chapter room. We do chapter in here every week. And then we sit over here, watch football on Sundays and Saturdays. These are all the guys. This is our kitchen, where we eat every day. Go-to meal, we do red beans and rice every Monday. It's like a Louisiana thing. Every Friday we do burgers. We're actually the oldest frat house on LSU. Been here since like 1920 something. This is where we play basketball. We do 3-on-3s every weekend. He led the state of Nevada in three-pointers made his senior year.
Oh my God.
And it didn't count. This is our balcony. We're the only house on campus with a third floor balcony, so we just sit out here and hang out all the time. So we have like 150 guys right now active, and we have 18 guys living in the house. Got a nice little I Spy tree over there with a bunch of mannequins. This is my little Tenny, and never talk to him ever.
What the fuck?